The 66th death anniversary of Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, one of Northeast India's most distinguished political visionaries and religious reformers, was solemnly observed at the monument on the lawns of the Lariti International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture in Shillong. Organized by the J.J.M. Nichols Roy Memorial Society, the event featured a prayer and tribute ceremony chaired by the chairman of the memorial, Ransom Sutnga. Speakers included Robert Dakar, Edge Suting and Reverend B. Posngap, who reflected on the life and legacy of Reverend Nichols Roy and his immense contribution to India's constitutional framework, particularly the 6th schedule safeguarding tribal self-governance. The gathering was attended by several dignitaries. Speakers also addressed the recent controversy over the monument's reported damage. Authorities clarified that it was constructed under the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council and has since been restored by Riti Academy under the supervision of Pinchngan Lang Aim and Titos Tarwel Khain. The observance concluded with floral tributes and a renewed commitment to uphold the ideals of Reverend Nichols Roy, whose vision for self-governance, faith and democratic values continues to inspire generations.
Tengah dengan kerpat si Pak Robert, Pak Robert, tengah kerpat.
Bani kena porkom juru iba Rafael iba de no penuan tur ya kena kedur jong Reverend J.J.M Nichols Roy. Nak kalian kejungi kumbalong komiti kejungi Henry nyale ya kena ke program manlau snem tala lai sau snem. Ngijuk pelong ke program ke bahe bha. Hang tai apa Church of God. Hang tung sai pelong malau snem rei mentan kita ke bam lakiat ke don ki jingja ke bangim lakiat ngim sim lala ban pelong ya kata program. But anda lawai kata session ki jong govinat bodoloi riu kra juga asam babun ki wan ban kublei yang bagani gejat ban riu pada start sisa 1947 ki pada start sa nrengi sosi manang bingin pet pan menta ni pha ki bakum nu ki beriu ngi don kam man kendit ban riu nang ni skama bangin pha ki beriu ki bani sa ngi kamtam bangin de ki microscopic minority ti ngange ba ublei uni sne yangi bon sei ki beriu ki bani lam yangi kiban betin yangi kum kejat ban riu hagis ni kisnem ki banaman
riu crowd jong balang riu crowd jong bri new trap architect jong council but don bentaru ban snal constitution jong India but de kata ka an ka balane balayang hadu menta ba ka jinget niam jongno amre ban ka ban penwejika kedai ban ne ban ni dua yu boleh ni ladep dua meni sisin ban ngendang dua biang sistin hang ni
ini kesngi kalau ngebangi ken mau semua puram yau ni urip kra kum kejat ben riu ngim dai ban klet yo lada umdon uniu riu kra jong kejat ben riu jongi kata ngilasa telap bat kejingdon jong u kalau wanra ya kene ke 6 schedule wanra ai ke district council kerpang tang nam banta banya da yangi te ni i baki wai ke district council ngimtep la ki kan ma buram na am ya u ngi nang ni sekman ni hab ban kersiu thia kimde ban klet yau ne u riu krau kimde ki program kide banlong kat kum ke kerdan jogu